This is my work van. I bought it from a company, and I need to remove the logos, but this is a Locksmith van now. These are all the cars I gotta do. I mainly do cars. Here's my power inverters. That green one is a sine wave. This one's just a standard power inverter, and my vacuum jumper cables. I have my cabinets. I got a microwave, a printer, even a Keurig. It's a high top and it has these vents with the fans, so if it gets hot I could just turn on the fans. Has a tow hitch. I have cabinets. I use this as a table sometimes. My lock boxes. These are my list of cars that I have to do. My fan. Haven't used it. The van stays kind of cool. My box is my trash can. Here's my duplicator. This is a ITL 950 code machine. A Bianchi code machine, high security. I have my programmers, my computers, tools that I need to make keys. Yeah, all the keys are stored away in these little containers. Here's a little air compressor. I use them more when I get flat tires. Have LED lights. And it's roomy in here. I could stand up. I have a couple more vans, but they're not as nice as this one. This one's a 1998 and it has 40,000 miles. Here's a little trash can and a cooler. It's just a basic van, but for 40,000 miles, Engine is really good, and this van handles hundreds of cars every single month. So I stay pretty busy. That's why I'm working on Sunday.